thing actually smells, guys. I think I'll have to take another shower. Hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl SHEJACKIE says, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
hello
the beautiful, cool, lovely people. It's your favorite girl SHEJACKIE says, and today, as the topic goes, we're going to be doing a video on rice water and how it helps grow my hair. So I know most of you knew that I've been cutting my hair, growing it, cutting it off, growing it again, and for quite a while now I haven't cut my hair because I found a true solution for my hair growth. And as you can see, I haven't actually washed it yet, but I'm going to be showing you guys my secret how I use rice water to grow my hair. So this rice water is something which the Yao women use for hair growth, and their hair, I think they are the women in the world who have the world's most lengthy hair, bulky hair. Well, the Yao women, and they use rice water to wash their hair, and it helps with their hair growth. So I've been trying it and it has been amazing. So I'm going to show you guys how I go about it and how I rinse my hair. So follow me, don't go anywhere. Let's get right to the video. So guys, I have my bowl, I have the rice. You could use any pack of rice. I don't even remember the rice that I use. I have my spray bottle, which is an olive oil bottle, which I used to use. I have my container. I have my water. I have my lime here, which I'm going to use. Alright, so first of all, I take the rice out. I don't really measure the rice quantity. I just take any amount that I want to take. So you could just take any amount that you feel like taking. But with this video, I remember I took a lot. So this is me pouring it into a bowl. So that I just pour it into an empty container that I have. But first of all, make sure it is clean. With this, I cleaned it already. So that is me pouring it into the container, guys. With this one, as I said earlier on, I didn't measure it. I just took any quantity that I felt like taking, so you could also do same. This is the water that I'll add to it. You could also use any kind of water, whether running water, any kind of water. I just decided to use a bottled water. You don't need any specific or particular water. So I just pour it into it without doing any quantity, checking the amount that I poured into it. So there it is, guys. So afterwards, I just slice my oranges. Some would ask why I use oranges in adding to this, because it gives it a good smell, because I'm going to leave it overnight and it will definitely have a terrible smell. With the oranges, it will definitely give it a good smell after putting it or leaving it over there overnight. So after that, I just put the peels of oranges into the rice water and I just close it. So the first time I tried this rice water thingy, I didn't really like its smell. So I went ahead to put a bit of the orange juice into the rice water essence that I've prepared, just to make the smell a bit nicer, because I'm going to pour the thing in my head and it would definitely stink if it has a stinky smell. So that is me pouring a bit of the orange juice into it to make sure that I get a nice smell after leaving it there for 24 hours. And yes, of course, why do I even shake it? To get all the substances in it evenly dispersed, to have the scents, the fermentation and everything in place, guys. So this is my essence for you. So the family, there you have it. I've prepared the mixture and I leave it there for 24 hours because I want it to ferment. When it ferments, that is when you get the real results. So you're going to leave this there and continue tomorrow. That is when we are going to use the rice water on our hair. I know you are impatient to see the result, but let's wait for 24 hours. And I hope you're going to join me tomorrow to continue the video. So if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to leave a comment after watching this video. Okay guys, I know I'm sweating so much because there's so much heat in here, but I'll see you guys later in tomorrow's video. What's up, SJS family? Today is day 2 of using the rice water on my hair video, and we left the rice water to ferment for 24 hours. So today it's around, what's the time? It's 10 a.m. I think it's exactly 24 hours now. So we have our solution here. you guys, we left it here for yesterday to ferment, and this is how it's looking now. I'll just hope it doesn't pour. Okay, so if I hadn't poured a lime in this, it means you would have had a solution which we wouldn't be able to stand its smell. So since it's ready, since everything is ready now, we are going to pour it into our spray bottle. Sure, we have our spray bottle here. You need to get a spray bottle before you could do this. Okay, so I have my spray bottle here. I didn't need to get one because most ladies do have this in their closet. Let's pour this into. I should have used the funnel, but I'm not having a funnel, so I would improvise. Okay, I think we have extra solution left.
So at this point, I realized the mistake I had made. With this bottle, I used an olive oil foamy bottle, and it means the water was coming out in a foamy form, which I didn't like. So I had to change the bottle, guys. It wasn't easy. I had to go search for another spray bottle to use instead of this actual foam bottle, because as you can see, as I was using, so this is the spray bottle that I had to use. I had to transfer it, even though there was enough essence left in there. After pouring the rice water essence into the bottle, I don't really have any use for this, so when you're done with this, you can just throw it away. It's of no use. The rice and the peeled oranges or lime is of no use. Just throw it away. So there I had it. I have my spray bottle with my essence ready, and as you can see, it sprays perfectly well like this. So this is how I wanted it, not in the foamy way like how it was before. So let's get right into the actual video.
Guys, so our essence is ready now. I braided my hair for like 4 weeks. It was just cornrows, and I unbraided it. That was yesterday before I did the video. So my hair is sort of hard. I haven't washed it yet. I'm about to step into the shower, so you guys join me and see how I apply the rice water into my hair. So guys, I have to wet my hair a bit. Sure, I have to wet my hair a bit. As you can see, the hair is already wet.
So I begin by spraying the rice water into my hair.
It smells.
I spray every part of it to make sure that I get the essence to every bit of the hair on my head. So I make sure that it goes. So I should have parted the hair into folds, like probably into 4 or 3. But
you're supposed to be massaging the scalp while you're applying this rice water thingy.
I didn't do that. I felt my hair was okay. That was a mistake I made. But when you are doing this, you could part your hair into so many ways and so many sizes, and just spray the essence into your hair.
This thing actually smells, guys. I think I'll have to take another shower after doing this video. This video is for the love of you guys.
The point of all this is, if you really want the rice water to stay in your hair, you really have to massage your scalp.
In order for this to work well, I need to add a shower cap, a rubber one. So I have this rubber shower cap here. So guys, let's sit here, let's do a countdown, let's wait for this to dry up. As you can see, I'm dripping in rice water in the bathtub. Yeah guys, hello there. It's been a minute. It's your girl SHEJACKIE says, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog. Well, it's now time to wash the hair. I've taken this thing off, and you could see everything was in here the way it was.
So whilst massaging the scalp, after washing it off, you could just add a shampoo that you also use to wash your hair and just add it to it, and it will be perfect afterwards, guys, trust me. So this is me. I'm trying to clean up my hair after doing the washing and everything.
Guys, so I'm done. Let's head on to the room and actually blow dry my hair. Let's see how it goes. Let me add the other stuff to it. Guys, so that was it. That was how I prepared the rice water. That was how I had to wash my hair with the rice water. So I'm about to blow dry my hair a bit and use shea butter too on my hair. when I was on air. Then I add, after I let the moist leave my hair a bit, I add shea butter, which is my amazing formula. It's been a minute. This is your girl SHEJACKIE says, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog, where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of
so
a
I
woman,
massage it
SHEJACKIE
into
says.
my
With the
scalp.
power of a woman, SHEJACKIE says. Everywhere she goes, every day, SHEJACKIE says. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIE says. With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIE says. With the power of a woman, she goes every day, SHEJACKIE says.
Okay there guys, so this is my 4C hair, and let's see if we can style something up.
SHEJACKIE says, looking so fly. SHEJACKIE says, young YouTuber, always on the tube trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way. Yes.
So do you guys want to see me in a pony? Let's see if we can fix a pony right now.
Killing every show with no stress. Dark skin girl, looking so fly. SJS family with the strength of a woman. SHEJACKIE says, with the power of a woman.
Alright guys, so there you have it, my 4C hair, which I can now hold. Alright guys, so as you can see, you can also try this at home. I use shea butter, I use rice, I use water, I use a spray bottle, I use orange peels, and obviously you need a shower cap. And yeah guys, that's this. So as you can see, this is my hair after using the rice water. So I've actually been using the rice water for 1 week now, and it's been amazing. But I was actually using it some time ago before I stopped, and I am now back in the game, so I just decided to show you guys how it is done. So if you have any comments, leave it down in the comment section below. Let's get interactive. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, @_Jackie at Instagram, SHEJACKIE says on Twitter, SHEJACKIE says on Facebook. And let's get interactive. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you actually like it. And guys, it's your favorite girl, and I am out.
FJ.
So today,
With the strength of a woman, SHEJACKIE says. With the power